Hello everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. And in today's topic of discussion, we are going to start with the values of biodiversity. There are some major values which are associated with the biodiversity, such as environmental values, social values, ecosystem services, economic values, consumptive use values, also productive use values, ethical and moral values, and aesthetic values. Biodiversity is the most precious gift to the mankind, which is by the nature. The role of biodiversity in providing ecosystem services is twofold. The first we can say the direct uses of biodiversity, and the another is indirect uses of biodiversity. Among direct uses, we can say food, fiber, fuel, and other extractable resources. And among indirect uses of biodiversity, there are regulating, cultural, and supporting services of ecosystem, right? So there are two kinds of values of biodiversity which are associated with biodiversity. In the field of medicine alone, approximately 50% of the current prescriptions medicines are derived from modeled on natural substances, right? So here you can see the classification. We can categorize it into the two parts, direct values and indirect values. डायरेक्ट वैल्यूज को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं कंजम्पटिव यूजेस में, प्रोडक्टिव यूज वैल्यू, राइट, एंड इनडायरेक्ट वैल्यूज को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं सोशल कल्चरल वैल्यूज, एस्थेटिक वैल्यूज, एथिकल वैल्यूज, ऑप्शन वैल्यूज एंड environmental services values, right? So let's see in the detail, starting with the environmental values. Environmental values of biodiversity can be found by examining each ecosystem process and identifying the ecosystem services. For example, in wetland areas, the vegetation captures water and carries sediments, and the soil organisms break down a range of nutrients and the pollutants washed into the area. So, these wetlands provide the ecosystem services of purifying water. That's why we also call them as the kidneys of earth, because they are helping in the purification of water. Also, we can give one more example here. Forests regulate the amount of carbon dioxide in the air by releasing oxygen as a byproduct during the photosynthesis and control rainfall and soil erosion. So these are the functions of forest. You have studied in the third chapter natural resources में आपने पढ़ा था forest के functions, and you have seen that forest, especially the tropical rainforests alone, provide 20% oxygen of the earth, right? And that's why we call them as the lungs of planet, right? So these are the environmental services associated with the biodiversity, right? Coming to the social values. Social values of biodiversity include aesthetic values, recreational, cultural, and spiritual values. Let's see what are these values, although we have studied in detail in ecosystem and ecosystem services, right? Biodiversity has a great extent been preserved by the traditional societies that valued it as a resource and appreciated that its depletion would be a great loss to their society. Most of our biodiversity has been preserved by the tribal communities. So the life of indigenous people in many parts of the world still revolves around the forest and environment. And even these modern times, many of them still lives in the forest and meet their daily requirement from their surroundings. Biodiversity in different parts of the world has been largely preserved by the traditional societies. And since the indigenous people always protect the forest for their own benefits, in ancient times, especially in the India, the environment is in totality, that is flora and the fauna, were held in the high esteem. And in our religion, we have worshipped the trees like peepal, banyan, tulsi, also known as tulsi is also known as Ocimum sanctum. This is the scientific name of tulsi, and the peepal, which is also known as Ficus religiosa, and the banyan, Ficus bengaliensis. So these trees are still worshipped in our religion. And ladies offering water to the Tulsi daily is considered good, and there are festivals in which they worship these trees, people, and banyan for the welfare of their families. So these are the social values associated with the biodiversity. I hope it is clear. Coming to the ecosystem services, which is also part of values of biodiversity. So here are a few ecosystem services, which includes the production of oxygen by land-based plant and marine algae by the process of photosynthesis, right? The maintenance of freshwater quality by vegetation, slowing runoff, trapping sediments, removing nutrients, and by soil organisms breaking down the pollutants. Another service is the production and maintenance of fertile soil as a result of many interacting processes, such as nutrient cycling. Next function is provision of foods such as fish, pastures for cattle and sheep, timber, firewood, and harvested wildlife such as kangaroos and native flowers. There are few more functions of ecosystem like pollination of agricultural crop, forest trees by the native insects, pest control in agriculture by land and beneficial native predators, flood mitigation by vegetation or the forest, slowing the runoff and trapping the sediments. So these are the functions of ecosystem, and these ecosystem services are associated with the values of biodiversity, right? Few more are there. For example, breakdown of pollutants by microorganisms. As you know, there are few microorganisms which help in the breakdown of organic material or pollutant. Also in the sequestration of heavy metals in marine and freshwater sediments. Also greenhouse gas reduction, for instance, sequestration of atmospheric carbon dioxide in the woody plants and green plants, right? Maintenance of habitat for native plants and animals in the form of biodiversity. So these are the ecosystem values associated with the biodiversity. Coming to the economic values of biodiversity, economic potential of biodiversity is immense in terms of food, fodder, medicinal, ethical, and social value. Biodiversity forms the major resource for different industries which govern the world economy, right? There are few medicines which are obtained by few plant, or we can say botanochemicals, which you must know. For example, among medicines, There is a tree known as cinchona, and the bark of cinchona is used to obtain a drug known as quinine, which is a anti-malaria drug. Similarly, a plant named Taxus is used to obtain a drug named Taxol, which is a anti-cancer drug. Few more are there like morphine and codeine, used as analgesic or painkiller, and it is obtained from opium poppy. Opium, also known as poppy plant. The capsule of this plant is used to obtain these drugs, also known as Papaver somniferum. So here are few plants. There are many more. Similarly, few tree and plant species are also used as biopesticide, such as neem, also known as Azadirachtica indica. It is used as biopesticide. Also, nicotine, which is obtained from tobacco plant, also used as biopesticide. Also, the rotenone, obtained from leguminous plants, right? So these are few botanochemicals which can be of economic use, right? Can contribute to economy and comes under the medicinal uses of biodiversity. So the salient features regarding the economical potential of biodiversity are given below. The major fuel source of the world, including wood, fossil fuel, have their origin due to the biodiversity, right? It is a source of food for all animals and humans. Also, many important chemicals have their origin from the diverse flora and fauna. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, biopesticides and many medicines which are used in various industries. A diverse group of animals are used for medical research during the testing of new drugs, right? So these are few economic values of biodiversity. Coming to the consumptive use values. So this is related to natural products that are used directly for food, fodder, timber, and fuel wood. The tribal people are completely dependent on the forest products for their daily needs. Coming to the productive uses of biodiversity, this is assigned to the products that are commercially harvested and marketed. Almost all the present day agricultural crops have originated from the wild varieties. Biotechnologists continuously use the wild species of plants for developing new one and better yielding and disease resistant varieties. Right? So biodiversity at present, the original stock from which new varieties are being developed. So these are the productive uses of biodiversity or productive use values. Coming to the next value, this is ethical and moral. So it is based on the principle of live and let other lives. Geo or Jeene do. Or one more principle of Buddhism, we can say ahimsa paramo dharma, right? So this type of principles are associated with the ethical and moral values. Ethical values related to biodiversity conservation are based on importance of protecting all forms of life, as all forms of life have the right to coexist on earth. Man is only a small part of Earth's great family of species. Morality and ethics teach us to preserve all forms of life and not to harm any organism unnecessarily. Some people take pleasure in hunting of animals, and people also sometimes degrade and pollute the environment by their unethical actions. So, through proper education and awareness, the people's conscience against these practices can be stopped. Right? So, this is how ethical values are associated with the biodiversity. Coming to the aesthetic values, the beauty of our planet is because of biodiversity, which is otherwise would have resembled other barren planets dotted around the universe. People go far off places to enjoy natural beauty, surroundings, and wildlife. And this type of tourism is referred as ecotourism, which has now become major source of income in many countries and in many societies. The diverse flora and fauna has become a part of tradition and culture of the region, and it has added to the aesthetic values of that place, right? So these are the aesthetic values of which are associated with the biodiversity. So these are the biodiversity values or values associated with the biodiversity. Thank you.